Morning everyone. What are you doing? Today we are in Apsiguda branch and we are doing some fine motor activities. And we have a role play like I'm a teacher and Aruna is a student.
Hello.
Come on, let's do some activities of fine motors. Did you see this where we are sitting? This is not a floor, this is a grass. Yes, you liked it? You want to play on the grass? But we need to wait for a long time. Okay, hi Aruna.
Hi Geeta.
Let us start a game.
Yes, I'm ready.
Actually, it is like a memory game.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
You remember alphabets?
I do.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to jumble and I'm going to ask you. Are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
Where is T?
T
Quick.
makes the sound ta. Ta ta ta. T makes ta.
Yeah.
As in truck.
That's good.
Yay.
And where is M?
And
out
M makes mum. Oh, I can't find M.
Monkey
Where
jumps
is
from
M?
tree to tree. Where is M? Oh, my friend, she's not able to find out M.
Monkey is missing.
Monkey is missing. I think monkey is jumping from tree to tree.
Oh, yes, I found it. That's the
Yay,
monkey.
that's a monkey.
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed.
That's okay. B for?
B says basket, blocks. Block.
That's nice. C for?
C makes cups. Cups.
And W for?
Window, walls. Wagon. Window.
L for?
L makes the sound L, ladybird. That's a ladybird.
J for?
Jam. Jam.
O for?
O makes the sound octopus. I can find an octopus.
I'm going to help my friend.
That's the octopus.
Did you say A? Can you tell me how many legs for octopus?
It has 8. That's why we call it octopus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 10. These are called the tentacles. Octopus.
N for?
Nose. Nest.
R for?
Teacher, I found it. That's the rainbow.
Oh, so nice. Rainbow. That's nice. K for?
Kites.
Kite. Flies up in the sky. K for kite. G for?
What instrument is this?
Oh, it plays of music.
Okay. Can you tell me which instrument is this?
It's a guitar.
Oh, guitar.
P for?
Everybody's favorite.
Yum,
Pizza. Pizza.
And now no need to go to pizza house. We can make it at house.
Okay.
Y for?
Yawn. Y for yo-yo. Yellow. Yellow.
Yellow color. Yes. A for?
Apple. Ants go marching one by one. Hurrah! Ants. Ant.
U for?
Umbrella. Unicycle. Oh teacher, why this has only one wheel?
I think pedals are there to the wheel.
Okay.
Usually they use in a circus.
Okay. That's a unicycle. It has only one wheel. Unicycle.
But pedals are there to the tire. Q for?
Queen.
I for?
Igloo. I for insect. Ice skates. Those are the skating shoes. Ice skate.
X for?
X-ray. I found it. X-ray.
S for?
Sand.
E for?
Elephant. But this is an... Teacher, what is this?
What is that? This is something new. We never seen this one.
This looks like a painting to me.
Yes, it's a painting.
What do you call this? Can anyone tell me?
Tell me, what is that?
That's an easel board. Easel. Easel.
This is something new. F for
F for fish.
V for
Vase. V. Can you make a V with your fingers? Slanting line, slanting line. V. Vase.
H for
H for hopscotch. We have a hopscotch in our school, in our play area. Hopscotch. H for hopscotch.
D.
D. The drums. Drums.
Z.
The last letter. Z. Z. Zip. Zip.
How is it? It is not that we have to play only with this flashcards, but you can do on your own also. If you have a white papers in house and if you have a cardboards, you can just write alphabets on the paper and stick it on the cardboard and just cut it in the shape, and you can play this game. At the same time, it's a memory game, and you can put letters in a sequence and you can identify the letters. See, many things you can do it. Yes, you will try? That's great. Let's learn some colors. Oh, what are these?
These are the color tablets. Parents, you can just take pieces of paper in any shape like rectangle or a square and ask your kids to color those papers, and then you can place them in a sequence. This helps in their eye-hand coordination and its fine motor skill. You can teach them colors, sequencing, placing the color tablets in, according to the color, and then also to keep them in a sequence.
Sequence means, like they have to think. When they think, they can keep this one.
Okay, as you can see here, we have put yellow, red, blue, green, white, pink, black, brown and orange. Now you can ask your child to follow the sequence.
Yes. Can you place this in the same order, this one?
Okay, let me try. Yellow,
That's good.
red,
Mm-hmm.
blue.
Yes.
I don't have green. Oh, I found it. Green, white, pink. Then comes black, brown. Oh no, is that purple? Oh, okay.
It's brown.
It's brown. Oh, okay. That's the brown. And I need orange. I'm done.
Yes.
Yay, I'm done.
This is a straight order and identification of colors here, and the same order she followed. And now I'm going to change the pattern and she's going to follow the same pattern. With the same colors.
Okay. Yellow, sleeping line. Red, standing line. Blue, sleeping again. Green, standing. White, sleeping. Pink, standing line. Black, standing line. Oh, sorry, it's a sleeping line. Brown is standing line. Orange, sleeping line.
That's good.
Yay!
See, nicely she kept in an order, like I've changed the shape, but she followed the same things. You can also do it at house. You can use your pencils or glasses or a spoons. You can keep it in a different shapes or in a different order so that your child can follow the same thing. Like they can learn in a sequence. That's good.
This also helps the kids to learn their rewriting strokes. The sleeping line, standing line, curves and all that.
These are all learning activities. What we say? ESL. ESL, learning activities.
Okay. Now let's go to the next activity, the fine motor activity. You can take a piece of clay. If you don't have clay at home, you can just use a dough, maida or wheat flour or whatever. You can make a dough. Place 2 pencils or any, if you have chopsticks, you can just place them in the dough and then ask your child to follow the sequence. If you have beads, you can do it with beads. If you don't,
You
Just
can
have
use,
to-
the gold fingers, the tube style. You
Okay.
can use those things also.
Or even pasta shells?
Pasta shells, yes, you have a pasta shells.
Macaroni?
Macaronis.
Yes. We just want to see the parents getting creative, how creative you can be.
You know, like
If
you
you
can
are-
engage the children in that way. Like you know, they
Right.
can learn many things sitting at home, and you can use what are there at your house.
Okay. Now your turn.
Okay. I want to keep the round shape, the red color. She follows the same thing.
I found it.
The diamond shape, yellow color.
It's a triangle.
The flower, white color.
I found it.
A square, red color. Like that, we have other colors also, and within a different shapes. Orange color. I can't find that. It's okay, you can follow the color if you don't have the shape,
Yeah.
but it is there in a different color.
Okay.
And blue color.
Blue again.
There's a green color.
Green here.
Orange color.
Orange flower. I found it.
So
Orange.
till now I kept one. I'm going to put two now.
Okay.
See, 1, 2. They have to hold it properly. Yeah, they have to place it properly, and they have to drop it. See, eye-hand coordination. One. Green. 2.
Green again.
3. They can learn numbers, counting numbers.
3.
4.
4.
5.
5.
6.
6.
7.
7.
8.
8. And
So-
we are done.
Yes, like this. If they can place it like this, you know, they can count these beads. They can identify the colors. They can put it in order. How many things are there to learn? Many things are there in learning. Okay, so please try at house. Not only beads. If you have a beads, that's really good. If you don't have beads, you can use your vegetables also. You can place it in the different vegetables. Tell them to count those vegetables, like a group of onions or a potatoes or a chilies, you know, capsicums, or else peas, green peas. It's a very good things. At the same time, they can learn colors, they can learn vegetable names, and they can learn a sequence of putting in order. Yes, I hope you really enjoyed this one. Let's get into another activity.
For the next activity, we have chosen the tongs. One is for you,
Okay.
the other one is for me. So you can ask the child to pick any object. It can be sharpeners, erasers, pencils, or if you have beads at home, the child can do it with the beads. It gives fine, a good grip of their hands, so which will help them to hold the pencil and write down their writing work.
Yes. I want to pick up orange color like this. See, I'm holding with the 3 fingers, not completely with this full hand or arm. See. They have to hold it tightly like this. 1,
2.
2,
I'm taking only yellow. 1, 2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
I just have one last yellow. 9.
10. 1, 0, 10. I have 10.
I just have 9, so I don't have any more yellow in this.
You
So
can
I'm
pick one
switching.
other color.
Yeah, I'm switching my color to red. 10.
Wow, that's great. Isn't it a good activity? Children, you should try at house. Okay, instead of sitting and watching cartoons, yes, you can watch cartoons, but not for the long time. Even you can enjoy doing these kind of activities also. Okay, what next, Aruna? Do
That's
we
it.
have any other activities?
That's it for today.
Okay, so again we'll come back with many more activities with the fine motor, and we are coming with gross motor also. Okay, are you taking care of yourself? Are you keeping mask? Are you washing your hands with the soap? Are you using sanitizers? You're not eating outside food? That's good. I hope you're all habituated with this lockdown and taking care of yourself. Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye.
That's it
Bye
for
bye.
today.
Take
Bye
care.
bye.
Stay home. Stay safe.